Karen Friedman. The question of the day is, how do you keep virtual presentations and in-person presentations and hybrid presentations interactive? One simple tip, 3 words: plan in advance. The key is to create content that makes everybody feel included. Quizzes, polls, Q&A sessions, chats, exercises, showing videos, keeping people doing things. Next, you want to chunk that out. And what I mean by that is, as you plan segments of a speaking engagement, a training, or a presentation, you might have an exercise in one segment, a video in another, a poll and a chat in another, and so on. And by the way, if you are using the chat feature, sometimes it's a lot easier to have somebody manage that, so you're not squinting and looking at the bottom of your screen and getting all distracted trying to figure out what somebody's asking while you're talking. So sometimes having that facilitator, that moderator, or just somebody on the back end who's not even seen, that can then hand you the question or email you the question or put the question in your ear, whatever you're using. But that way you can focus on your audience, on the interaction, on what they're saying. But again, bottom line, 3 words: plan it in advance. Ooh, that's 4 words. Plan it out. That's 3 words. You get the point.